Hello, in this video I will show you a great email marketing service called MailerLite. We will take a look at what MailerLite is, we'll register an account and check its main functionalities. And in the upcoming videos we will take a look at the individual settings one by one in greater detail. So what is MailerLite? MailerLite is a user-friendly email marketing tool that helps businesses and individuals send newsletters, create email campaigns, and manage subscribers. It's designed to be simple, making it easy for anyone to create beautiful emails and reach their audience effectively. With features like drag and drop editing, automation, and analytics, MailerLite helps you keep in touch with your subscribers and grow your audience. Here you can take a look at its main features. We have email marketing, automation, website builder, landing page builder, subscription forms, and so on and so on. It has many features. We can even create e-commerce websites and sell our products or services. Let's take a look at its pricing, because I think it's one of the best and most affordable on the market. And on top of that, we can use it for free. Here we can see that up to 1000 subscribers, it's free, and we can send a maximum of 12,000 emails a month. No need to provide credit card details and stuff like that, but if you have more than 1000 subscribers, it's still not very expensive. Once you are a paying customer, you won't have a sending limit. You can send as many emails as you want. The monthly price will depend on how many subscribers you have. With this slider, you can check how much it would cost you a month. For example, 10,000 subscribers would cost roughly $65 a month. Here you can see that there is a marketing and a transactional option. In MailerLite, the marketing and transactional options serve different purposes for sending emails. Marketing emails are promotional emails like newsletters, sales offers, and updates sent to a list of subscribers. They aim to engage, inform, and drive actions like purchases or website visits. Transactional emails, however, are automatic emails sent in response to a specific action by a user, like order confirmation, password resets, or account notifications. They are functional and focus on delivering important information rather than promoting products or services. MailerLite and similar systems are useful because they ensure your emails have a high delivery rate, meaning they are more likely to reach your subscribers' inboxes. These systems use special techniques to avoid bounces and spam filters, so your messages don't get lost or ignored. This helps you communicate more effectively with your audience. Let's register an account. I've already registered one, but if you haven't, just click on the sign up button here. The form here is pretty straightforward. Fill it out and click on the Create My Account button. Oh, I forgot to mention that once you register, you can use all Pro or Premium features for 30 days. After registration, you will receive a confirmation email and you can log in. After logging in, you will be redirected to the dashboard. Here you can see a to-do list. I already completed the first two. You just need to fill out your profile and your personal information. It's very easy. Then we have to confirm our account. Here we have to answer a few more questions. In order to use MailerLite, you need to have a domain name and a domain-based email address. Here you need to prove to MailerLite that you are the owner of that domain name. Here you need to add your web address. Based on your domain name, the email domain is populated automatically. This is a very important information. MailerLite will send a confirmation email to this email address. You will need to click the confirmation link in the email. And the confirmed email address will be the default sender email here in MailerLite. Click Next Step. The confirmation email was sent. Let's check it. Okay, I'm in my email. The confirmation message has arrived from MailerLite. I'll just confirm it. The website domain was verified. Let's move on. Let's answer these additional questions. So we are not there yet. The MailerLite staff will review the account and they will approve it within 24 hours. Most of the time they approve it, so I don't expect any problems. So I will wait for now, but I'll get back once the account is approved. Okay, it took a while, but the account has been approved. But we still have one thing to do. We need to authenticate the sender email domain. Authenticating the sender email domain is important because it proves that your emails are really from you. This helps make sure your emails reach the inbox and don't get marked as spam, keeping your email reputation strong. So let's see how we can do this. Immediately, we can see that we will need to add some DNS records to our domain name. We can select a DNS provider. You can find the biggest companies here, but if yours is not in this list, just select Other. Don't worry if you haven't done this before, I'll show you how to do it, and if you have any questions, just leave a comment below the video. We need to add 2 DNS records to our domain. First, we need to add a CNAME record. The CNAME record helps verify that you own the domain. This record points to MailerLite, proving to email providers that your emails are legitimate and should be trusted. My domain management is at Contabo, so I will need to add this record there. It looks a little bit different with every domain provider, but you need to look for a menu that says something like DNS settings or DNS management. For me, I need to do this in the DNS zone management menu, and here I can create new DNS records. Let's select the type. I changed the TTL value, but you can leave it on your default settings. First, I need to grab the name. Then we need the value. Click Create Record. The CNAME record has been created. The second one is a text record. Because of its value, we often say it's an SPF record. This is a very important record. If it's missing, you won't be able to send emails. Since I already have a text record with an SPF value, I cannot create a new one. There can only be one SPF record. If you need to add more than one SPF record, you need to combine them with the include keyword. MailerLite was kind enough to do this for me. If you take a closer look, you'll see that both SPF values are here. I can't edit the record, so I'll just remove it and I'll edit again with the new value. You may need to wait a little until the DNS is updated. Let's try it. And everything looks fine. And now we are finished, and now we can really start using the service. We can create email lists, subscription forms, send campaigns, and this is exactly what we will do in the next videos. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, just leave a comment below. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips. See you next time.